In this lecture, we are going to learn about remove and replace face feature in Catia. First, draw a random 3D model. Now select this face, sketch and draw two circles on this face. Make pocket from these circles. Now go to dress up feature toolbar and select remove face feature. Here you can see the face to remove option. So select the face which you want to remove. Select this face and this face. OK. So now you can see that our selected face are removed. So in this way you can use remove and replace face feature in Catia. Now we will learn about another feature called replace face. We have these two 3D parts. We will replace this surface by this face. Go to dress up feature toolbar where you will find a replace face feature. Select it. Now first select the surface you want to replace. Select this surface. Now select the face which you want to remove. Select this face. Now reverse the direction by clicking this arrow. OK. Now you can see that the rectangle surface is replaced by curved surface. So this was the replace face feature in Catia.